Friday, July 11th, 2025. I'm here in Ortega, and this is Hobo. Before I show you the whole thing, though, I do have to go through a few things. The zincs that are on this boat, we have two R4 trim tab zincs. Actually, give me 1 second, let me more on that. Correction, we have no trim tab zincs. We have one R4 rudder zinc, and then we have a ZCH5, ZCH4, I'll get it in the video, transom zinc, and then we have two 1.5-inch shaft zincs. So, let's go ahead and double check the whole thing. It is a little muddy, I will let you know. You might not be able to see everything. I also want to let you know that the paddle wheel on your transducer is not working properly. So I'll try and get that in the video as well. Let's go ahead and check it out.